I'm here to talk about the Interact. We had not yet completely accomplished the need that I had in my district to solve the problem of what to do with getting the teacher or provide a set of tools or resources or an opportunity to get the teacher from front of room. It's had great success because of it's a small footprint, and I could actually take this product through the classroom, through the configurations, because it easily and simply can move through that space. The actual footprint of the product was, again, you're seeing the same curves. It has 4 curves, the innies and outies and the concaves and the convexes like the other solutions have. So it pairs in an unlimited way with the other products. That's the basis of design. To move it up and down, there is a lever that's built in the back of it. And you notice the simple and easy to use component again, how graceful the product is. I can simply move it with one hand. But how do I control the up and down hydraulics? There's a lever here that if I place my finger between the 2 pieces and push up, I can actually push down to allow it to go down, or allow it just to glide naturally upward. So now I have not only a teacher's position that I can be in a sitting piece, but also have a stand-up learning opportunity. So this has added so many different pieces. You can set points at various height depending on the student. You can have a podium in your space now. Does it just do one thing? No, this can do 4, 5, 6 things. And what it's doing is supplementing other products that may stand in your classroom, eating up real estate that you don't need all the time. So I might need a podium 20% of the time, but now I have a tool that can do multi-functions, and that's really critical in the whole shift concept. You saw me place it down, and I can go to students working in a group. Fusion, for example, and I could pair up to them. And within this box, if I had my computer or controls to the electronics within the space, I have everything that I need as I can travel through the classroom. In turn, I can go to a group of students that are working with 2 thumbprints or 4 thumbprints, and I can adjust this slightly to create the same level. And I could pair up with them and quickly, if I had a hotkey, grab that, place that down. I could start working with them with my space and my tools, not interfering with what they already had set up. Again, the same caster mechanisms, which are simply easily clicked on and clicked off. It's a fully welded frame construction. Continuing to show you different ways that the array of products can fit together. We have 2 sets of thumbprints. It's set up maybe a full circle, half circle, a Socratic piece. Can I drop the teacher's unit, the Interact, back in position? Using the mechanism to lower and raise, can I pull it back into a space that I've already shown you? And can I allow that piece to be integrated into the array of products that we already have? The diversity of the forms within the space allows the end users to explore the limits of creating their environments that they're looking for.